Okay, we're leaving I'm leaving the hotel. I'm going to the mall.
Car.
This is your car?
Yeah.
No, you're joking, right? No. I gotta get in that.
Change.
Oh, we're changing the car. And we're going to the mall. So let's see. This is interesting. So Amel is here too. Wait, let me close the door.
Go, yalla! Woo!
Wow, this is an old car. Oh my god! We're not going to the mall in this, are we?
Maybe he stole the
Oh
car.
shit! I took out a soldier.
Oh my god!
I can't even open the window. Now I can open the door. Oh gosh, friends!
لازم اروح لك يما المستشفى العسكري هاي خفر.
All is closed.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Just going with the flow. Oh my goodness. The old Mosul.
Coffee? قهوة?
We just came to a stop before the mall, if we go to the mall, but look how pretty this street is here. Ta-da! So look at this place. I don't know where it is. Let's go see. Ah, very nice. Wow, look at this place here.
In the home, old home.
It's an old home, yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. All these copper things. All these antiques. Oh my goodness, I never knew this place existed. And I wasn't going to come out tonight. Samovars, tea, cassettes, Jesus. Room, he just unlocked this room full of hidden gems. Really cool. And then we find this little room with 3 tellies, Polaroid camera. This is the photography room by the looks of it. Cameras, some ammo, but it's really interesting place. Yes. Ooh. How nice. Sit down here now. This is nice. What a nice, interesting place. So we just had a cup of tea here, and you can see people come here and hang out and there's people working on their laptops and everything. It's really nice. It's a really nice atmosphere here. I just don't know the name of it, but you saw the outside, so you can see it. We just went in there for tea and came out, and it's so busy and so full of life. Look at everybody. Look at these artists, guys, here. Hello. I want to see what they're painting. Hello.
يا مرحبا يا هلا. أخباركم أموركم؟ نبي يونس.
نبي يونس.
بس بعد توتنا
Look at these guys.
هنأسس.
Wow.
ما منرت الحدوى.
So lively here. Today is the first day of Ramadan, so I don't know where we're going now. So the streets are packed. Oh wow, it's so busy here.
Ice cream.
Oh, I want ice cream. The bridge. side of Mosul. Now I'm at the Modern Hotel, over the river at the modern side of Mosul. And they just went in. So let's see what the Modern Hotel is. Modern. Reception area here. So this is, I think he said it's Aslan's uncle or his cousin, I can't remember, that has this hotel. Whereas I stay in the old side, in the cheap hotels wherever I go. There is modern places in Mosul on the other side of the river. In the modern side, there are modern hotels all over. You just got to look for them, and not a lot of things are online. So that's the case for a lot of places in Iraq. Not many places like hotels and stuff you'll find online. That's why you need the help of a local. Okay, ta-da! Oh, it smells nice in here. The bathroom, shower, a real toilet. Wow, I should be staying in this hotel. So this is 2 beds. Oh, we're going to see another room. Wow, this is huge. This is the big suite. Fancy modern hotel here. It has a fridge. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, very nice. Fancy shower on the top there. A hair dryer. Very modern. Because it's the modern hotel.
Modern hotel.
That's why it would be modern. Very nice. Time to get back in the mean machine here. Wait! Oh my god. Okay, so apparently we're nearly at the Golden Mall. It's been quite a night of adventures. So here in modern Mosul, which is really buzzing. Oh, I have to go in here. The Golden Mall in Mosul. Hello. Good, how are you? All right. They have an ATM here.
That's so beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You like it? I don't like it. I don't like it.
Shaker.
It's sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't like it.
So beautiful.
Yeah. I don't like candy floss. So, hello. So, this is a mall I never thought I would be in Mosul here. If my volume's a bit off, it's because I've got a different microphone on because my other one's broken. So I'm using this one. So I'm waiting on Imal. She just got some money out of the bank. Hello. Yes. Scottish woman. Walk around the mall. Little perfume boy. Hello. Makeups. Your usual mall stuff. Lots of clothes shops. And of course shoes.
My friend.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Salam alaikum. Wow, it's quite... I don't know how old this mall is. Is this mall new? Yeah?
In the Daesh, after Daesh.
After that, okay. So there's a coffee place here, tea place. Yes, Arabic women clothes. Wow, it goes up here. Money heist.
You.
Up another escalator in another mall in Mosul. If my eyes look red, it's because my contact lenses are done and I can't get any. Well, I can't find out where to get any. Not easily. Okay. More perfume, clothes. Where the young girls and the women hang out. For everybody that thinks that the women are not allowed out of the house. They just come to the mall and not the streets. Look at this, it's like a bazaar. Oh, I smell all the spices. Honey. It's just like an outdoor, it's like an outdoor bazaar indoors.
عليكم السلام اهلا وسهلا عين تاني
معكم شوي سوري
عادي انا صحت هذا الثلاثة سوري فضل هذا
Old and new things mixed here.
عليكنا
Beautiful. And of course the men's rings here. Nice things. Heading up to another level now. food time. Again, this is going to be all family stuff up here. Women, children, families, like every mall. And Bros Burger. We're at the food court. KCF chicken and Galaxy Land over there. 5 Iraqi minutes is 1 hour. 1 hour.
In Iraq, 5 minutes, 1 hour.
Yep. Well, so we've been here for 20 minutes waiting. So maybe another 20 minutes. I just want ice cream. Finally, KCF came. Not KFC, KCF. Chicken and chips. I don't know what flavor anything is.
Cocktail.
A cocktail?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we cocktail. You?
I don't know what any flavors are. There's nothing written on them. And so I'm having a cocktail. An ice cream cocktail. Hello. Good, how are you?
What country?
Britannia. Scotland, thank you.
Can you take photo with it?
Yes, of course. Hold it. I'm eating my ice cream cocktail.
Caramel.
Purple one, orange one, and lemon. Very good.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
سوي لي عمود
Just what I
صغيرة
wanted.
ومشكل.
Leaving the Golden Mall. Everybody's out shopping. Going down. So guys, this is where the women come. Like every other country, they go to the mall. So, time to go back in that equipment that's called a car. All the fancy clothes and everything in here. I'm lost.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
طلعنا مرافق وياهم نواجب.
Everybody's so friendly. As always, everywhere. There's a pool place. Guys all playing pool. And out into the beautiful street. Bye!
Bye.
So that's it from the Golden Mall. Okay, so we're not going quite to the car yet. Clothes, shops, kids. What is this? Ah? Is it Gaymar? Ah. It's Gaymar? Ah. Okay. Cheese. So I was trying to get the atmosphere of the street up there, but I couldn't because the policeman said no videoing. I don't know why I wasn't videoing anything other than the street atmosphere and the game art and cheese, but it was forbidden. So I don't know, but so I couldn't give you the full atmosphere of that street, unfortunately, but it was really cool. So maybe another time. Build houses?
New mall.
Shop. A mall? Oh. There's another part of the mall. New stuff. Okay. Back into this mean machine here. I can't even tell you. I don't think I've driven in anything like this before. What?
كهرمانة.
Kahramana
Hotel.
Hotel.
Kahramana.
Kahramana. It's very close to the one I'm staying in. And I already did a video on the one I'm staying in. But he wants to show me this one too. So let's look at this one. Ah, okay.
Bathroom.
Very nice. Okay, very nice. Bathroom, shower, normal toilet. Nice hotel. All have the air conditioning, heat.
Yeah.
Pegs for your clothes. And it has...
No expensive.
No, this one's not expensive. No. This one is cheap. Compared
So
to-
cheap.
So cheap.
Yeah.
So cheap. And this is the reception area here.
Amal.
Yes, and Miss ML.
How are you?
At least you can get snacks here. and shampoo and toothpaste. Bits and bobs. So this is another hotel. 2 hotels. I'm signing off because I'm so tired. This area is busy. Crowded with people. Playing cards, smoking shisha. Kids. Dominoes, coffee, shisha.
Hello guys.
Hello. Hello.
السلام عليكم.
يا هلا بيكم. يا وش حياكم؟ يلا. يا دولة.
بريطاني.
شنو؟
بريطاني.
تحية خاصة من شبور البريطاني.
جبور. جبور. Okay. شكرا. Hello.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Chai. Chai. From the chai man. Night walk through Mosul with my ever so helpful guide Aziz.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank you very much.
for being a wonderful guide. Hello.
Hello.
chai? I'm drinking chai.
You drink chai? Hi. Iraq.
عراق. ايه تعال.
احنا بنشتغل على اليوتيوب
Yes.
باي الكاميرا
Yes.
يوتيوب؟
Yes. YouTube.
يجون ياخذوك منا.
YouTube.
بس صورة.
Zora.
بغداد لما نتجاوز
I'm
بالكلام.
having
لا ما تجاوز
chai here. The chai man. Hi. I knew
Yes.
chai. Oh, okay.
بس صورة.
هذا احمد كرين يانو احمد كرين
سالم.
لا تدوس كل شيء هذا فيديو.
هو فيديو
يعني تكون الصورة بجهازك؟
هذا عراق
عراق.
Somebody was my cameraman for a minute there.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
السلام عليكم.
يابا يصير نصور معاها؟
اي عالي حبيبي.
This is picture.
Oh. Hello. How are you?
قوم هاو ار يو.
قوموا شباب. ليش؟ انست الصفحة يعني راح تطلع.